Hello, welcome back to Initial Speed. I'm your host Phil. Today, this bug has got a no start issue, and I've been doing some research and have found out that the coolant temp sensor may have something to do with it. I'm going to change it regardless because it's a known problem, and let's get it out of the way. So here is the Beetle. It's a 2-liter manual convertible, and the part I am going to change, I don't know if you can see that green part there. That's what I'm going to change. So I took the battery out to give me a little bit more room to play with. I've got to disconnect this clip. There is a metal clip that holds the sensor in place. Pop that out. There, you see it there. You just pop that out. Pull the sensor out, replace, put everything back, and that's it. That is what I'm talking about here. Oops, sorry, that there. So what I do is I grab a small screwdriver, sit it in between the two, and rock it. Don't force it, it is plastic, and it should... there you go. It should just come out. Now, pull this clip back here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, yeah. Nope, maybe not. There we go. Oh, this is a plastic one. Sorry. This is a plastic clip. Okay, so be careful you don't break that, because you will need that to lock everything back in place. Here's the sensor. Wiggle it out. And we will change that. Looks like the coolant, I may change that too. Not now, but I think when everything is sorted out, then I'll change all the fluids and then start looking at the timing belt and all of that fun stuff. New one. I believe there's supposed to be a rubber ring. Just like that one. See that rubber ring right there? And it comes with a new locking piece. So I think I'll change that out as well. Might as well, I'm here, right? I'm gonna get my hook tool and search around in there, see if maybe the rubber ring fell off in there. Yep, it was stuck in there. Imagine if I had tried to put the new one in. So this is the old ring. I think the new design is better. What a hot one. It's nice weather if you don't have to do anything in it, but once you have to do something in this weather, it is hot. And I love the heat. Old, new. Old, new. This one just kind of sits here and is easily able to roll up. Oh no, same thing with this one. I thought it was a different design. Clearly not. Alright, well, let's get this new one in. When you push it down in there, you will feel a noticeable click. Not really click. You'll feel it seat. Slight pull on it. Seems like it's in there. Alright. Locking ring, or locking piece. There we go. Alright, it's locked in place. Flip back on. So it's not loud, but you will hear a slight click when you put the connector back on. And that's it. Put everything back together. So again, This is the 2-liter engine. So this is an 03, but I believe it's the same from 98 through 2010, I believe, the new Beetle. That's it. Thank you for watching. And now we'll wait to find out if everything starts up. Initial speed out.